Hey guys, Connor Moore with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. So today I wanted to show you guys a boat that we just got in on brokerage, being a 2021 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Let's go ahead and walk around the outside and jump on the inside to show you the beautiful condition. So starting off with, this has the quantum blue hull color with the white bottom. So incredible looking boat on the water, especially with this little champagne graphic going straight through it. Really gives it an incredible look. And not only that though, this boat is so clean. There is no nicks or scratches on the outside of it. It is in very, very phenomenal shape. So let's go ahead to the back platform here. So you'll see that we do have the sea deck material down on the swim platform. So really nice material to be able to walk around on and be super comfortable and safe at the same time. Now we do have a stainless steel prop on this, and you please do note that there is no nicks or scratches on this prop, preventing it from performing the way that it should. Now we're going to go ahead and jump into the boat and show you guys some of the condition of the seats. So you can see your back sun pad here, again, in very, very good shape as we walk in through our port side walkthrough. See, we got the wraparound seating back here, really, really nice. Now, I do have to mention this boat only has 40 hours in total on it. And that is on a Mercury 250 horsepower motor. This thing runs like a top and can do anything from leisure to water sports and really be a great boat for just about any activity. So just kind of showing you guys the condition of the vinyl and all. Everything is in great shape. Does have the snap in and out flooring. Has a Fusion stereo system with 2 speakers in the front and then 2 speakers back here in the cockpit. So a total of 4 speakers on this guy, and does have a battery switch on board. Now here on the dash you will see that we have a basic layout with the analog gauges with a depth finder included. And then as we go up to the bow here, you'll see that nice wraparound seating, very comfortable stuff. Lots of storage underneath all of these items. So, all right, guys, my name is Connor Moore with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule a demo on this boat, please let us know. Thank you guys for watching.